UK deploys more forces to the Arctic. What's really going on? British Secretary of Defense John Healy recently announced that the British military contingent in Norway would double in the next 3 years, from 1,000 troops to 2,000. NATO is increasing its presence in the Arctic, with a series of exercises and planned deployments aimed at securing the North from Russia and China. As part of that increased presence in the North, the UK is sending more troops to Norway, as well as creating a new expeditionary force specializing in Arctic warfare. Following the controversy over Greenland and its potential acquisition by the United States, the discussion around the Arctic has flared up. The Arctic is a strategic location. The frozen mass holds vast natural resources, as well as the promise of important trade routes. Russia and China are vying for the frozen landmass and what lies underneath it. To help secure the region, the UK is stepping up its military commitment. Last Wednesday, British Secretary of State for Defense John Healy visited the Royal Marine Commandos at Camp Viking in the Arctic Circle in northern Norway. He confirmed that the number of British troops deployed to Norway would double over 3 years, from 1,000 to 2,000. This year, the British military will deploy approximately 1,500 Royal Marines to the forward base alongside their ground vehicles and air assets.